All right, my name's Steve Messer. I'm the president of Corba and the trail crew leader for today. Along with the Mount Wilson Bicycling Association, we kind of overlap in the Angeles National Forest and this area. We're all in this together. We all love the trails. That's one thing we all have in common. There's people here who aren't even mountain bikers. There's a couple of people who came up on foot. It's a multi-use trail and everyone's really excited to get it back. Well, we use bob trailers to get the tools up here. They're a versatile trailer with a single wheel, which makes them compatible with single track. You can take them through just about anything that you can ride a bike through. It's actually a lot of fun to tow one, but it's a lot of work when it's loaded down with tools. Well, the San Gabriel Mountains are crumbling away. They're one of the fastest growing mountains in the world at 2 inches a year, and they're also very fast eroding. A lot of this is decomposed granite. The fact that this trail has lasted for 30 years, 3 El Niños and a station fire, and it's still here. We're just cutting brush back and cleaning up the tread, and we'll get this trail back hopefully by next spring.
There's several trails that were affected, and slowly but surely they're coming back due to the volunteers.
In all the years we've been doing this project, the mountain biker friends we have, it's grown tremendously, and they're the greatest people, and we're blessed to have so many great friends.
It's amazing to see when it's done this quickly. We have 25 people out here today, so we're making a lot of progress.